Hi, welcome to Truckeedog TV. Another beautiful day in the mountains. Got a bunch of dogs out playing in the forest. There's Charlie. Hi, Charlie. Let's see, who do we have today? There's Lola, Charlie up there, Sammy, Monty, Phoebe and Tesla, Rita and Rocco, and Gidget. There's Gidget. Monty. Sammy. There's Sammy. There's Rocco. Really nice day out. There's where we're going. That's the crew. Everyone's got to sniff everything. All right, we're going to continue our walk. Just thought I'd share our adventure with you. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching Truckeedog TV. We'll see you next time.